Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am.
Perfect.
Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Of course it's on. Wagwan goodie, it is your girl City Static and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the goodie gang. This video is really like on the whim. I just had this great idea, so I'm gonna do it. I kind of already did it already. I'm gonna link the video. I did knotless box braids high, but I think that was my first time doing it. Now this is not my first time anymore. Now it's like my 5th time. You know, I'm getting a little expertise over here. But I'm gonna try doing box braids in my hair again. And yes, I am high. I smoked already, just haven't smoked on camera yet. Again, this is very on the whim. But yeah, so I pretty much washed and blow dried my hair already. Do you see the growth? Do you see the growth? Oh, and also if you see my room looking a mess, please, please. But yeah, definitely got some growth going on here. I want to snip my ends, but I'm not gonna snip it. I don't know, I think I'm gonna hold out a little bit, but it's looking okay to me. Okay, so actually what I need to do is plan out my parts. So I don't want super tiny braids and I don't want jumbo braids. So I'm trying to like calculate how many braids, but I know I want a side part. And which one is my good side again? Oh, I think it's, is it this side? I think. But anyway, I think I'm gonna do this side then if that I did all that big chat. Right? So this side is definitely where I would like to have my side part. I always do a middle part, either when I get box braids or if I do them myself. I always freaking I always get a middle part. It's time to shake shit up, okay? Time to shake shit up.
I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Roll me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends.
Alright, yeah, so I am all partied up. Partied up! Partied up! And to reward myself for that feat, I'm going to smoke my already smoked splizzy. Like I've said in my other video, I'm smoking mimosa punch. If you braid your own hair, you understand you gotta have something on. It's gonna be a long fucking night. Alright, let's get to braiding, okay? So I've actually already hung up my hairs all over my mirrors, all over my lap. And if you guys could see I blended the hair because I've never done color before on braid wise, and I'm like, you know what, let me try something. So I already had a whole bunch of 1B braid babe hair because I always keep that in a stash, and then I end up buying some like ombre, it's outre as well because babe braid and outre, it's outre. So I ended up blending the light hair with the already 1B hair I had, and I got something cute. It's giving me brats, honestly. So I'm going to start with the first corner of the back. So I already split the back in two because it was too big initially. Do I look crusty? Listen, at this point, it don't even matter. Once my hair is done, all is well. So I'm just gonna pin this up because it's gonna be in my way. All right, so I'm gonna get the first square of my head, which is right here. I'm gonna guesstimate 4 squares, about this thick. I project that for the rest of my head because I don't want them super big anyway. Now we're gonna get the Shine and Jam. I seen this post on Facebook that said that these new braiders be all Shine and Jam, no grip. I felt some type of way because at least I just braid up my own head like that.
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I was sober for an hour, but I'm rolling off a bean now. The drugs, they give me confidence, I'm saying what I mean now.
I don't know why I be wasting my time like this. So I don't like how it came out, and I've been trying to do this knotless method for so long. I don't know when's the day I'm gonna get it, but today is not it. And I'm not even gonna waste my time. I'm not gonna waste my time. I've been using the crochet method to do my hair, and it just works for me, and I'm not gonna act like it don't. So I'm not gonna fix what ain't broken. I've been doing my hair great and efficiently. That method. So that's what I'm gonna do. Ow! Oh, I'm being so silly right now. Being impatient, actually. Should have not did that. Yeah, I'm just gonna braid it. I'm probably gonna braid the row and then do it individually each. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I'm just gonna do what I'm thinking. Just give me a second.
Diamonds in my pinky look like water, make me seasick. Never had no house, so don't approach me on some free shit. Did this by myself, so why the fuck would I do a remix? This bitch gave me top, don't want the pussy, he can keep it. Money and the power, fuck respect, cause
My eyeballs hurt, but I parted everything and I braided it down. Ooh. Now I'm just gonna add some braids because I'm not gonna be able to finish this tonight. It's already like 12 o'clock, about to be 1 o'clock. Probably gonna do some and then, yeah, I'm sleepy.
when I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every
Voiceover time. So I'm using a regular crochet hook. If you want to do jumbo braids, I suggest that you use a jumbo hook. But I am going to crochet the hair through, and this hair that I'm crocheting through will cover the braid, right? Because when you wear your braids, you don't want your braids showing in your braid. It looks crazy. So I'm covering the braid, and this hair that I'm crocheting through is gonna be like the hairs on the side. So now that I have my hair in, I'm just gonna braid it down regularly, making sure I cover the braid so it doesn't show.
The next morning.
So finally, I am at the end of the road, but of course I got a little bit more to go because a box braids take forever. But here I am, braiding the ends of my hair. I'm not braiding them like super done because I want to have some curl effects at the end. I like to have my curly ends for my box braids. So of course I'm gonna dip it in hot water with some flexi rods, and boom, did y'all see that transition though? That was fire. But here I am taking out the flexi rods and drying my hair as best as I possibly could. But y'all gotta see the dotishness I did, or that I realized. So keep watching, you guys will see it.
I forgot one. So it is now 7:25 in the morning. No, right? Crazy how time just escapes us like this. I'm usually up by this time, so I don't know if I'm gonna stay up or if I'm gonna take a nap because I got some things to do. But this is the final hairstyle. I think it came out cute, even though I went in my side part on my right side. It looks good on my left. I wonder how long this hairstyle is gonna stay in for. I hope it at least stays in for like 2 weeks because this was a lot of work. This is 32 braids, y'all. 32 braids. And I mixed my hair and I used the crochet method to do these jumbo knotless braids. If you made it If you made it to the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you're notified when a video is ready for you to watch. I think I want to go to bed, but at the same time I just want to clean my room. There's hair every freaking where, and that's the one thing. Every time I do my hair, it be my hair, and look, all over my mirror, just hair, just freaking hair everywhere. Alright, stay tuned because y'all coming back with more real soon. Peace, good night, well technically good morning. I'm ready to go to sleep, or am I ready to stay up? I don't know yet, we'll see.